So rwan te, DDERWEN, Twin Oaks, DDERWEN. Dyma'r nofel dyn ni'n mynd i wneud. Nofel detective ar ffurf on the form of gohebiaeth Facebook. Dyma'r cymeriadau. These are the personal, the characters in the story. Dyma'r cymeriadau fan hyn. Okay? Cymeriadau'r stori. Deian, ddim Deian, enw bachgen ydi Deian. He's a friend on Facebook. Okay? Right, yeah. Dilwyn Cooper ydi asiant arbennig. He's a special agent. Asiant arbennig. Dilwyn Cooper. Yeah, okay. Sioned Roberts. Shh. So you can see by the alphabet there, SI followed by a vowel is a sh sound. So you have words such as shot. So the SI followed by a vowel is a sh sound. So hwn ydi siarad. So SI and a vowel is sh sound. Siarad. So Sioned Roberts, a ferch sy'n gweithio, the girl who works, yn swyddfa. Swyddfa is the office. Swyddfa, Canolfan DDERWEN, the Twin Oaks Centre. Esgob Annwyl. Esgob, he's a bishop, wedi ymddeol, a retired bishop from Casgwent. So Esgob Annwyl, Esgob wedi ymddeol o Gasgwent. Alice Angharad, actress o Abergele. So the letters are repeated in here. Alice Angharad, actress o Abergele. Yeah? So Alice Angharad, actress o Abergele. Llion ap Miall, llyfrgellydd o Landrillol. Yeah?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Remember we said yesterday, where does your tongue go? Top of your mouth. Llion ap Miall. Llion son of Miall. Llion ap Miall. Llion ap Miall. Llyfrgellydd.
Llyfrgellydd.
Let's break this down. Gell. And you've got from the Llyfrgellydd. He's a librarian. Let's hear it for the gell. Just say gell for now. Put together now. So if you see a librarian walking down the road, you can say, oh, he's a llyfrgellydd. Hawys Owen, she's like Hitchcock, she likes to see herself in her work as well. Hawys Owen, awdures llyfrau detective, or drelawnyd. So that AW is pronounced as an aw. Hawys Owen, awdures llyfrau detective, o drelawnyd. Drelawnyd just beside Prestatyn. So Hawys Owen, awdures llyfrau detective o drelawnyd. So she's a bit of Miss Marple, right? So she writes books and so on. Detectives. Gethin Arthur arweinydd gweithgareddau o Borthmadog. So now we've got there THs and double Ds in that there. So Gethin Arthur, a TH is pronounced as a th, as in think. So a TH is always a th. It's an unvoiced consonant. It's a th. Geth. You can say th all day long. You won't lose your voice. You go. How? It's an unvoiced consonant. If, on the other hand, you to have a double D, it's a voiced consonant. So you would get a. Do that all day, you lose your voice. So it's the same shape in your mouth. It's the same letter with your vocal cords switched on or off. That's the only difference between them. So you can have. So felly, basically going to be Gethin Arthur, pawb? Gethin Arthur, now arweinydd, he's a leader. Arweinydd, the at the end is that there. Arweinydd. Well, look at my jaw, my profile, how I say this. Arweinydd, my jaw juts out. Arweinydd. I'm lucky to have Neanderthal genes so that my jaw can come out. So let's see some jaw jutting going on. Arweinydd. Eto? Arweinydd. Unwaith eto, arweinydd. So an arweinydd, he's an arweinydd gweithgareddau. It juts out again. Arweinydd gweithgareddau. Arweinydd gweithgareddau. Arweinydd gweithgareddau. So with your biros, put your biros to your jaw. And it should come out twice. Arweinydd gweithgareddau. Arweinydd gweithgareddau. And those of you who jut your jaws out best have the best accent. Arweinydd gweithgareddau. Okay, quick. Right, Ffion Griffith, and what we can see there, the double F in Ffion is the F sound in Welsh, because a single F is a V. That's a V sound in Cymraeg. Ffion Griffith, we have a double D there again. Ffion Griffith is a hyfforddwraig, huffing and puffing, because she is a fitness instructor from Treforest. Ffion Griffith, hyfforddwraig, ffitrwydd o Dref Forest. So the double F there. So let's say this together. Ffion Griffith, hyfforddwraig ffitrwydd o Dref Forest. Let me stand back a bit. Do it again, okay? Ffion Griffith, hyfforddwraig ffitrwydd o Dref Forest. Now then, not to be left out, we have Brychan ap Llawarch. Okay? Brychan ap Llawarch, chwaraewr snooker. Chwaraewr snooker. So, he's a snooker player. O Ddimbych y Pysgod. O Ddimbych y Pysgod. You may have seen that road sign closer. Tenby, yeah, Tenby. How do you pronounce the ch sound? How do you?
Just put a bit of spit in.
You do indeed put a bit of spit, but you also need to put your tongue in the right place. So, rwan te, dyma eich ceg. Alright, so dyma eich ceg. There's your... Right, if you remember from yesterday, if you wanted to put a ch, you'd put your tongue behind your top teeth and you would say... That's that sound. This sound is totally distinct because you put your tongue behind your bottom teeth as if you were going to say G. So say go, get, bottle of gear, keep your tongue like that, nail it to the bottom of your mouth, don't move your tongue, say got a gear. Okay, so in Saesneg you have a word like that. Night. Used to be pronounced as nicht. It's bricht, moonlicht, nicht. So that actually gives you an idea how the word is pronounced. It is actually g is a voiced consonant, is switching the vocal cord off. So it is actually a g with a coming out of it. So you can hear the distinction between the sounds as is at the top of the mouth, is at the bottom. So let's hear that distinction. Let's spread the sounds out. Handy you go. Iawn, okay. So rwan, I fynd yn ôl at those two words combined, you have Brychan ap Llawarch. How? Brychan ap Llawarch. Chwaraewr snooker. O Ddimbych y Pysgod.
O Ddimbych y Pysgod.
So that double D there is mutated. O Ddimbych.
Ian,
Yeah.
you know Pysgod? What's
Yeah.
the word for jellyfish?
Pysgodin jelly.
Is it not Pysgod wibbly wobbly?
Well, no, wibbly wobbly is the movement, yeah?
That's why someone told me it was Pysgod wibbly wobbly, which I thought was genius.
Well, no, there isn't. No, it's Pysgodin jelly. There is a book and llyfr yn Gymraeg, and it's got Nelly i'r Pysgodin jelly. Nelly, and every time you told the story to the children, you would go wibble wobble. So maybe that's where it's come
Maybe
from.
that's what it is,
So, but yeah. So now then, and the final person in our story, is Lowry Bowen. Lowry Bowen. That's an O sound. Like Sean Conn and Santa Claus goes ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. So Lowry Bowen. Lowry Bowen. The clone professional. And the accent is on the shun. Professional. So yeah, so clone professional or thou-lice. So Lowry Bowen, clone professional or thou-lice. It's an O sound. So what's her name? Lowry Bowen. Where'd she come from? Thou-lice. What's her job? Clone professional. Okay, so those are the people in the story.